Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. I just have one question. Have you ever been lost in a song and you didn't know what to play next? Well guys, I'm here to help you improve your playing with target notes. Every song, and I mean every song, starts with a note number in your left hand. The target note helps you to see if there's a progression possible. Let's get in the key of C. All right, so let's just take a song like Every Praise. Let's just go. Every praise is to our God. We're on the 1, going to the 6. Every word of worship with the 1 accord. Now we're going to the 4, right? Every praise. Going to the 5. Every praise is to our God. Now we're on the 1. So what did I do? We're starting out on the 1, right? Now we went to the 6, which is our target chord. Now, let me show you something that you could do. There's a bridge that could lead you to this 6. That is the 7-3 bridge that can take you to the 6. So with this new information, let's try to incorporate it into the song so far. Watch. Every praise is to our God. Okay, that worked. Cool. Now we're on the 6, right? And then we're going, every word of worship with 1 accord. All right, so now we're on the 4. So if we're on the 4, there's another progression that can get us to the 4. What is that progression? That is the 5-1 progression can get us to the 4. And then we are in on the 4. Let's try it. Every word of worship with 1 accord. That worked, guys, that worked. Okay, so now we're going to every praise. Okay, so now here's our new target chord. Our target chord is the 5. What can get us to the 5? Let me show you. The 6-2 progression can get us to the 5. What is that again? The 6, we're playing this chord. To our chord right here. This is the E chord on the 2. Then we're going to our F6 chord on the 5. That can get us to the 5. And then we just end the song. It's to our God, right? So let's put all this information that we just learned and put it into a cohesive song. Okay, let's try it. Every praise is to our 7-3. Every word of worship. Now we're going to the 5-1-4. 5-1. Every praise. 6-2-5. Every praise is to our God. So cool, guys. This right here transformed our song in a matter of minutes because we have bridges that could help us get through the song. So you can take this information with any song, and I mean any song. So again, we covered if we're on the 1 and we're trying to get to the 6, we can use a progression to get there. 7-3-6. That's a 7-3-6 to get there. Now we're on the 6. We're trying to get to the 4. We can use a progression to get there. 5-1-4. Right? Now we're trying to get to the 5. We can use a progression to get there. 6-2-5. Now we're there. And then we just end the song. It's to our God. And that's the song. Guys, if you enjoyed this lesson, I want you to go and tell your friends about it. Tell your loved ones about it. Tell all of your musician buddies about this channel. And remember, you're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.